Well, hello there. Malcolm Walker here. You're probably thinking that's a big spider. Well, you're wrong. This is actually a colossal squid. This creature has rotating hooks on its tentacles and can grow up to 46 feet long. Let's learn more about this bewitching beast. And today, we'll be looking at the colossal squid. But before we get into it, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to submit a suggestion for a future episode, there's a link in the description, so be sure to check that out. It uses its long, slender tentacles to grab prey and then reels it in with its powerful suckers. It is also known to cannibalize its own species. The squid is able to hunt effectively thanks to its large eyes. Its tentacles are armed with sharp hooks that it uses to grab onto its prey. It also has a beak that it uses to pierce the skin of its prey and inject venom into it. The venom of the colossal squid is very potent, and it can paralyze its prey in a matter of seconds. The eyes are used to detect the movement of potential prey and predators. Most of the evidence of its existence comes from the scars found on sperm whales. Sperm whales are known to prey on giant squid, and the scars on their bodies are believed to be the result of battles between the two species. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have a suggestion for a future episode, be sure to check out the link in the description and submit your idea. Thanks for watching. The scars typically appear as long, thin lines or small dots. They are usually found on the head, neck, and flippers of the sperm whales. Scientists believe that the scars are caused by the sharp beaks or hooks of the colossal squid. The colossal squid is a very fast swimmer, and it is able to chase down prey over long distances. Sperm whales have been found with squid beaks in their stomachs, which indicates that they do indeed feed on squid. The size of the beak suggests that they came from a very large squid, possibly a colossal squid. This squid was also caught off the coast of New Zealand. The fisherman was able to hold on to the squid for a short time, but eventually had to cut it loose because it was too large to handle. It is also a very agile hunter, and it is able to maneuver itself around obstacles while pursuing its prey. A group of fishermen off the coast of New Zealand caught a giant squid that was over 33 feet long. The squid was so large that it took several men to pull it out of the net. There is still so much that we don't know about it, but hopefully in the future, we will be able to learn more about this amazing animal. Unfortunately, the squid was dead by the time it was brought on board the ship, so the fishermen were unable to release it back into the ocean. The colossal squid has been observed using its tentacles to crush the bones of its prey. After crushing the bones, the squid is able to absorb the nutrients inside the bones and use them for growth. This is an adaptation that allows the squid to survive in the cold waters of the Southern Ocean. In this series, we take a look at some of the most mind-blowing and fascinating creatures to have ever existed. Now, back to the colossal squid. The colossal squid is scientifically known as Mesonychoteuthis hamiltoni. Not much is known about this mysterious beast, but scientists believe that it can grow up to 46 feet in length. That's about the size of a sperm whale. It also has rotating hooks on its tentacles, which can inflict serious damage. These hooks are used to capture prey, which consists mainly of fish and other squid. The colossal squid lives in the southern oceans and is rarely seen. In fact, it was only discovered in 1925. It was named by the person who discovered it, Chen Tito. He named it after Sir James Horrocks Hamilton, who was the director of the New Zealand Oceanographic Institute at the time. The colossal squid is a very elusive creature, and little is known about its behavior. However, scientists believe that it is a solitary hunter. The colossal squid is a carnivorous creature, and its diet consists mainly of fish and other squid. The colossal squid is a very dangerous predator, and it is capable of inflicting serious damage on its prey. The colossal squid is a very elusive creature, and it is rarely seen in its natural habitat. Another piece of evidence that supports the existence of the colossal squid is the stomach contents of sperm whales. There have also been a few instances where fishermen have caught giant squid in their nets. Another fisherman captured in 2008 a giant squid that was nearly 39 feet long. Overall, the colossal squid is a very mysterious and elusive creature. That's all for now.